friends, I am back today with another outfit video, and today I am wearing a sort of girly, it's like a goth dirndl. I don't really know how to describe this dress, but it's very, the way I've put it together is kind of got some 60s vibes. So this button is hard to button when I cannot see it. It took me a while. Whenever I do these longer versions of my style videos, I kind of show you the reality of getting dressed because sometimes these things are not as easy to get into as one might think. I also feel really weird not wearing a belt with a dress that has kind of a plain middle, and I know I need to break this habit, but I still can't do it. So there we go. Putting on some socks with this outfit because it is not quite warm enough yet for a mini dress, so we're gonna do some little over the knee socks. When I wear over the knee socks, especially when I post these videos in my TikTok or on my TikTok, I get the perviest guys like loving this. I know it's probably like a foot thing, a sock thing. I don't even know what it is. I just think they're real cute. So, I don't know, c'est la vie. These are some cute little T-strap Art Deco shoes. Wait, nope, these aren't T-strap. These are little Mary Janes. These are little wingtip Mary Janes by Betty Page Shoes. Everything that I'm wearing will be credited in the description below, so if you want to shop what I'm wearing, you can always find the stuff in the description. And then I'm going to put on some jewelry. These earrings I actually got at H&M, like, I don't even know, like 10, 12 years ago. One of them is a little bit cracked, but I still think they're so cute. And they add this kind of like funkiness to my outfits that I love. So I kind of went a little bit less traditional with my earrings on this one, but I don't think I've ever worn these in a style video, and I wanted to kind of show them off. I've had them for so long, so there you go. And then next we are going to put this little bow in my hair. I got this at Foxblood Shop. It's just a little velvet bow, kind of adds those 60s vibes. So yeah, this is my little sassy 60s style video. Hope you like it. Let me know if you want to see more, and have a great day.